Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I got an Amazon order and a Shein order. So I just thought I would share those with you really quick. Now, the first one I'm sure you've seen before is from Amazon. This is my tea. Basically, I just want to share with you the subscribe and save. So I get this every 2 weeks and I can change it to every month, every 3 months. I can do whatever I like with it. I can also go in my account and I can change the flavor, which I did. So in the next 2 weeks, I'll be getting a different flavor. And when you subscribe, you get a certain percentage of savings. Now this company, and I don't know if it's across the board or not, but these guys cost me $4.86 every 2 weeks. It was 5 something, and but the more you subscribe, so you keep getting the orders, my percentage goes down. Now they also, if I want to add things to my next order, I can save an additional 15%. So I mean, if you know you're going to get something all the time, why not do subscribe and save? Because you can save yourself some money. So that's my tea. That's Amazon. Next one is Shein. Now, I know I don't shop at Shein. I'm really not into the fast fashion kind of thing, and I get overwhelmed looking at that site because there's just so many things and they're all for 20 somethings. I mean, you've got to really dig for something that I would want. But they do have some home goods and pet supplies. And that's where I wanted to shop, was the pet supplies. So my little Mickey, he's the littlest one. Where is he? Oh, he's not in here right now. But he's always wanting a blanket, and he always seems kind of cold. And now that it's getting cooler, I thought, getting some shirts for him would be nice. I did get some shirts from him before. They are a bit snug, so I thought I'd go up a size. Yeah, that's bigger. Yeah, that's nice. Look at how cute that is. And it is so soft. I would love to have a sweater like that. It's fuzzy, has the little cuff, has a nice collar, even on the bottom. How cute. But that'll fit him. I will put in a clip of him wearing this, and he will hate me for it. Mickey, come model your little shirt. Oh, he gets so mad at me when I put these on him. All right, how do I get in this one? Here we go. Now I do have another one like this. It's smaller though. I got an extra small, so I went up to a small. But this one is purple. Or whoever's looking at it, it might be blue. But it's a purpley blue. It has the little cuffs. This is a classic. Now, if you see this anywhere else, you're going to pay $12 or $15. I got this for like $1.50 at Shein. This one too, $1.49 or something like that. $3 for these. I love it. Here's my little Mickey. Mickey. Where you going, Mickey? So there we go. I shared my tea and the little doggy shirts. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate your support, and I will see you soon.